for cleaning windows to earn an honest bob. For a nosey Parker, it's an interesting job. Now it's a job that suits me, a window cleaner you will be. And if you could see what I can see when I'm cleaning windows, the honeymooning couples too, you should see them bill and coo. You'd be surprised at the things they do when I'm cleaning windows. In my profession I work hard, but I'll never stop. I'll climb this blinking ladder till I get right to the top. The blushing bride, she looks divine. The bridegroom, he is doing fine. I'd rather have his job than mine when I'm cleaning windows. The chambermaid, sweet names I call. It's a wonder I don't fall. My mind's not on my work at all when I'm cleaning windows. I know a fella such a swell is he. He has a thirst, it's plain to see. I've seen him drink his bath as well when I'm cleaning windows. In my profession I work hard, but I'll never stop. I'll climb this blinking ladder till I get right to the top. Pyjamas laying side by side, ladies' night as I have spied. I've often seen what goes inside when I'm cleaning windows. Now there's a famous talkie queen, looks like a flapper on the screen. She's more like 80 than 18 when I'm cleaning windows. She pulls her hair all down behind and then pulls down her never mind. And after that she pulls down the blind when I'm cleaning windows. But in my profession I work hard, but I'll never stop. I'll climb this blinking ladder till I get right to the top. An old maid walks around the floor. She's so fed up one day I'm sure she'll drag me in and lock the door when I'm cleaning windows.